Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious burrito roll at home. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. You'll need large tortillas, cooked rice, beans, and your preferred protein like chicken or beef. Next, prepare your fillings, ensuring any meat is seasoned and cooked through, and vegetables are sautéed. Finally, gently warm your tortillas for about 15 seconds each, making them easier to fold without tearing. Now, let's master the art of folding. Lay your warm tortilla flat. Start by adding a base layer of rice or beans in the center, leaving about 1 inch of space around the edges. Then, pile on your protein, cheese, and other desired fillings. Carefully fold in the two opposite sides of the tortilla, then firmly roll it up from the bottom, creating a snug, cylindrical shape. Once rolled, you can grill or pan-fry your burrito for a few minutes on each side until it's golden brown and slightly crispy. This step adds a wonderful texture and helps seal the burrito. Serve your delicious creation immediately with your favorite toppings like fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or a dollop of sour cream. Enjoy your homemade burrito. The beauty of homemade burritos is customization. Don't be afraid to experiment with various cheeses, sauces, and vegetable combinations to find your perfect flavor profile. Try adding a spicy kick with some fresh jalapenos or a creamy texture with a dollop of sour cream. For more great ideas and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below for links to deals and other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.